What is up, guys? How's it going? If someone is annoying you and you want to ask him to stop it, how would you say it? How would you ask for it? Today I'll give you some examples how to ask someone to stop doing a particular thing that annoys you. But before jumping into that, I'd like to highlight the most common mistake English learners do in this case. For instance, imagine a situation. You're sitting in a room with your friend and you're feeling cold. Your friend is going to open the door. Apparently he's feeling hot and you don't want him to do so. How would you ask for it? What would you say? Many English learners would say, "Can you don't open the door, please?" That's incorrect. You can't use two modal verbs. One of them is modal verb, the other one is to be verb. You can't use two verbs here at the same time. So it's can't and don't. You can't use them at the same time. So the correct version of it would be, can you not open the door? Or if you want to use don't open the door, that phrase, then just simply say, don't open the door, please. Another ways of asking for a favor would be, do me a favor, don't open the door, please. Or, would you mind not opening the door? I'd prefer you didn't open the door would be another way of asking. Also, you can use other words and say, could you please keep the door shut? Don't bother opening it. You can use all these expressions depending on the situation and who you're talking to. I hope this was very useful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.